Tomorrow is wash day.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny. I forgot to record the intro, so here we are.
Tomorrow is wash day. I'm using a new shampoo and I'm going to Prepoo before because I've never used a shampoo and I don't know what it's going to do to my hair, and I just want to have an added layer of protection. This right here is from that Bantu Knot Out. You can check that out. That was my last video. My hair it's really soft, but the only thing is it's kind of matted. So I don't know if you can see, but if I try to, and like the shampoo I'm using, I don't know how drying it will be on my hair, and I don't want my hair to be even more matted when I'm shampooing it. So I'm gonna pre-poo using Melanin Haircare, of course. And it's a leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna use my fingers, my favorite hair tool. And I also have some hair clips and a hair tie and a comb. So I'm gonna finger detangle first, and then I'll use the comb just to do one last pass through. I don't even know where to start. We'll start here. You see, it's already, let me put some leave-in conditioner on that part. Okay, that's probably just gonna have to get cut out. So sometimes when I have knots at the bottom of my hair, I snip it away. But can you see, this is matted. It's curled, but it's matted. Like if I try to separate this, it does not. It's separating, but the closer I get to the top, the more defensive it gets. It's like, oh, what you doing? So let's get started. Taking about this much for right now, but we'll see. I may need more, I may need less. I may need a little bit of water. But let's see. I'm gonna add a little bit of water because I know my hair. This is water and aloe vera juice mixed together. See, I'm literally just using my fingers, but it's a slight piece in between these two that if I keep pulling on it, it's gonna turn into a real knot, and I don't want those problems.
I usually finger detangle my hair while I'm in the shower because when I'm in the shower, the pressure from the water is able to really get all the shed hair out. So if y'all want to see that, let me know. I'll figure out how to do that and like actually see my entire wash day, like that whole process. Let me know because I'll definitely do that. And also, when I finger detangle first, I'm able to feel the knots that are in my hair instead of ripping the comb through my hair, not being able to feel those knots.
So I would say that's like one pump of the leave-in conditioner that I'm using. And I noticed when I let it sit on my hair for just a little bit, it kind of loosened everything up. See, like this, it's stuck. So I literally might have to cut this. The camera's rolling. I would have snatched this out. So I have my hair shears, and I'm literally just gonna clip away at this knot because it's not coming out. I like this. Okay. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. This is just how I do my hair. section needed the comb. This section of my hair, easy to detangle. Right above it, get ready for war. Yeah, so when I finger detangle, I typically use my thumbs to get the shed hair out of my head. So this is just an oil blend. I had to smell it so I could tell y'all what was in it. But even if you just have olive oil, you can use that. Like I've used olive oil for the longest time until I got my hands on some other oils. Just put that back there too. I hope y'all can see this. It's like I'm separating the Bantu knot curls so they aren't lumped together, because if I were to go in the shower and go straight to shampooing, the clumped curls will become super matted, and we don't have time for that. So I came back because this one literally felt like a lock. So I thought this might be helpful. But I would definitely suggest a Prepoo if you had like box braids or anything in your hair for a long period of time before you wash your hair. Because you know how when you have a style like that, when you take your hair out, your roots are kind of matted from like the buildup of products and all that good stuff. And I feel like doing a Prepoo will help alleviate some of those tangles before you start washing it. And like, this wasn't a braided style, but the curling, I guess, and the twirling and the twisting and wrapping, I couldn't imagine trying to detangle this with just water in the shower. Wash day would have been canceled.
When you finger detangle, you just gently pull down on your hair and then start to separate it from there with your fingers.
You see that knot down there? Put a little bit more conditioner, leave-in conditioner on it, and alright, didn't have to cut that one. Alright, so all done with that. I'm just gonna pull these back and then put my bonnet on. Whew, time to wash. My hair smells good. It smells good. My hair has probably been air drying for about 3 hours. So when I pre-pooed, I detangled, well, I finger detangled, and now that I'm doing the twist, I'm doing like a more thorough detangle. Yeah, I'm also going to use this brush to detangle the ends, and so that my ends are smooth when I'm twisting. Forgot to put the oil in. When I twist my hair, I always keep my fingers near the end of the twist, because it helps my twist to stay defined. So when you twist, don't twist like this with it being all the way down. stay right up on it. Like twist, 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 twist. And also I kind of do a little twist and some wrist action as well with my twists. So twist, 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 twist. I really hope that helps and you understand what I'm saying. It really makes a difference in your twist out. And I don't twist all the way down to the end. Not even halfway. A quarter of the way down. I don't know. I just twist it and it turns into a little coil like that. I'm honestly just going to be finger parting this and doing the same thing all around my head. So I'm spraying my hair with water, then adding the twist elongating style cream in my hair, and then oil on top of that, combing it out, then using the dimming brush to detangle it a little bit more, and then twisting it up. Now, deep conditioning my hair, I've finger detangled the conditioner through my hair. I didn't even use the comb. So this is my first time using the comb again since I pre-pooed. See, stay up on top of that twist. And just some detangling tips. Never detangle your hair while it's dry. And also, if you're detangling, clear the hair out of your comb or brush or whatever you're using to detangle, because sometimes those hairs can get wrapped into the other hairs from your head, and it could just, your comb can tangle into the hair that you want to detangle.
What?
Try to clear your comb out every now and then, and also pull your hair taut. Instead of trying to brush it like this, pull it taut and then start to detangle. And also always start at the end of your hair and then work your way up. One thing I noticed with the brush when I'm detangling, the bottom of my hair gets really curly. So I have to hold the bottom of my hair with my pinky and try to keep it as straight and as taut as possible so that the brush won't yank at my curls.
So now that I'm finished with the twist, I just spray a little bit of water around my edges and brush them up. You can use gel on this part. I just didn't feel like putting gel in my hair so soon. And here are the twists, nice and juicy. And I let my hair air dry for about a day or so, maybe a day and a half. And I just put some oil on my fingers and around my hair, and I just took the twists down, separating them where they wanted to separate. Again, if you want a more detailed twist out, how I do my twist out, just let me know down in the comments. I can definitely do that for you. And this is the end result. So again, thank you so much for checking out my video. Make sure you subscribe and like and leave any comments down in the description box. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video.